Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In this today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can use voice access on Android mobile phone, especially on Samsung Galaxy phone. Okay, let's get into it guys. I have opened my Android mobile phone, and first of all, we need to open our settings. And in the settings, we need to find the accessibility setting. This one. Open the accessibility and go to the interaction index 3D. And here you'll be able to activate the voice access. You just need to click on it and click on the circle button to activate the voice access. Okay, and click on allow. And if we want to start using this voice access, we can go to our notification panel first and you can tap to start. And I'm going to demonstrate it to you. We can tap to start and then we can start to give our phone commands. And I'm going to give open Instagram. Sorry. Go home. Open Instagram. Scroll down. Scroll down. Go home. Okay, and I'm going to go to the notification panel and tap to pause. Okay, and if you want to use the voice access again, you just need to go to your notification panel and tap to start. Alright guys, and that's how we can use voice access on Android mobile phone, especially on Samsung Galaxy phone. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and see you in the next video.